Whatever you follow last year while coming to school, you have to follow it at your home too. That is, you should wake up early in the morning. You have to brush your teeth. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് നല്ല ഭംഗിയുള്ള പല്ല് കിട്ടുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. You have to brush your teeth. Okay? You have to do exercise. What your PT teachers told. Exercise in the video kando. PT teachers aaychu thanna. Daily you have to practice those exercises. Okay? You have to bath every day. You have to eat your breakfast on time. Then only you all will be able to concentrate the class. Okay? Isn't it? The very important thing is you have to obey your parents. Do you obey your parents? Yes, you do. Because you all are good children. So, you all have to obey your parents. So, let's start. Okay? In the last class, we learned about different types of straight lines. Isn't it? Which are they? Yes. Vertical line, horizontal line and slanting line. Isn't it? Now, let us draw a straight line. Okay? For that, I am going to mark 2 dots. Okay? See? This is 1 dot and this is another dot. Okay? See? I mark 2 dots. Now I am going to connect these 2 dots in a line. Okay? See? See? Is it straight? No. It is little curve. From this what you understood? I was not able to draw a straight line because I didn't use ruler. See, I was not able to draw a straight line. Right? Because I didn't use ruler. What did you understand from this? From this, we understand that we can't draw a straight line without a ruler. So, that is, we can draw straight line only using ruler. Using a ruler. Ruler നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിലുള്ള സ്കെയിൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് ലൈൻ വളയാതെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ചുമ്മാ കൈകൊണ്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ആക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് കേട് വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമായിരിക്കും, പക്ഷെ അത് അത്രയും പെർഫെക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. ചെറുതായിട്ട് ചെറിയ ചെരിവ് ഉണ്ടാവും. ചെറിയ ചെരിവ് മീൻസ് കേർവ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അപ്പോൾ യൂസിങ് എ റൂളർ ഓൺലി വി ക്യാൻ ഡ്രോ സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് ലൈൻസ്. Understood? Now I am going to draw some shape using these straight lines. Okay? This one is these shapes are formed by different straight lines. See, this is horizontal line, this is slanting line, again slanting line. This is the shape is triangle. Look at this shape. This is horizontal line, vertical line, again horizontal line, again vertical line. The shape is square. This is horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, again vertical line. Shape is rectangle. These shapes are formed by different straight lines. Isn't it? Since we drew different shapes in the plane surface. ഇതൊക്കെ എന്താണ്? പ്ലെയിൻ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സർഫസ് ആണ്. നമ്മൾ ഈ ഷേപ്സ് ഒക്കെ പ്ലെയിൻ സർഫസിൽ വരയ്ക്കാന ഷേപ്സിന്റെ ഒരു പേര് വിളിക്കാം 2D shapes. What is that? 2D shape. These shapes are called 2D shapes. We learned about 2D shape, isn't it? Now we are going to learn about 3D shapes. That is solid shapes. Solid shapes. Solid shapes ne വേറെ പേര് വിളിക്കുന്നതാണ് 3D shape. That shapes ne നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കൂടി വേണം? കുറച്ച് സ്പേസ് വേണം. അത് സോളിഡ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ അറിയാമല്ലേ, കനം അത് ആ ഷേപ്പ് വെക്കാൻ പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്ക് സ്പേസ് വേണം. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഷേപ്പിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് വിളിക്കുക? സോളിഡ് ഷേപ്പ്. That is an object that occupies space is called solid shape അഥവാ 3D shapes. 3D shapes എന്ത് വേണം? സ്പേസ് വേണം. കാരണം ഈ ഹൈറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇതൊക്കെ പ്ലെയിൻ സർഫസിൽ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന ഷേപ്പാണ് അല്ലേ. ഇതിന് കൂടെ കുറച്ച് ഹൈറ്റും കനം കൂടി ആകുമ്പോഴാണ് എന്ത് വിളിക്കുന്നത്? 3D shapes അല്ലെങ്കിൽ solid shapes പറയും. There are some solid shapes. You know which are they? Yes, first one is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. These are some solid shapes. Now I will show some example for these shapes. Okay, see this. Which solid shape is this? Yes, it is cube. This is an example for cube. C-U-B-E. Okay. How many faces? Faces എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മുഖങ്ങളാണ്. ഇനി എത്ര മുഖങ്ങളുണ്ട്? Faces. ഓരോ സൈഡുമാണ് ഓരോ മുഖങ്ങൾ. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര സൈഡ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാം. See, I am keeping this cube like this. See, 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? 6 faces. 6 എങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഫേസ് ആണ്? കേർവ്ഡ് ആണോ? അല്ല, ഫ്ലാറ്റ്. നമ്മൾ ഫ്ലാറ്റ് പ്ലെയിൻ സർഫസിൽ വരച്ച ഫേസ് ആണ്. സി, ദ ഷേപ്പ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ഫേസ് ഈസ് സ്ക്വയർ. എല്ലാ സൈഡും സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്, ഫ്ലാറ്റ് ആണ്, ഫ്ലാറ്റ് ഷേപ്പ് ആണ്. ദ ഷേപ്പ് ഈസ് സ്ക്വയർ. ഓൾ ദ സൈഡ്സ് ആർ equal. All the sides are equal. All 6 faces are same. How many faces it has? It has 6 flat faces. 6 flat faces. Okay. Next. See, what is this? This is a pencil box, right? See, which solid shape is this? Yes, it is cuboid. It is cuboid. Okay. See the face of this cuboid. See, this is what? The shape is rectangle. The rectangle height കുറച്ച് സ്പേസും ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ടാണ് എന്ത് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? ക്യൂബോയിഡ്. റെക്ടാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ മോഡിഫിക്കേഷൻ ആണ് ഹൈറ്റും കുറച്ച് കാലം ഒക്കെ കൂടി വന്നപ്പോഴത് എന്തായി മാറി? ക്യൂബോയിഡ്. See the faces of cuboid. How many faces it has? How many faces it has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? 6 faces. What is the shape of these faces? ഓരോ സൈഡും ഏത് ഫേസ് ആണ്? What is the shape of each face? Is rectangle. Very flat faces. How many faces? 6 flat faces. Same like cube. Cuboid also have 6 flat faces. We know the opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Same in a cuboid. Here the opposite sides only equal. Here is rectangle same. Here. This side opposite side is this same. And this side opposite side is this. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are same. In a cuboid, opposite sides are same shape. How many faces it has? Cuboid has 6 flat faces. Curved ആണ് ഓരോ സൈഡും അല്ല, ഫ്ലാറ്റ് ആണ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ 6 flat faces. Our next solid shape is what? Cylinder. What is that? Cylinder. How many faces it has? എത്ര മുഖങ്ങളുണ്ട് ഇതിന്? Sides. 1, 2. This one. 2, 3. How many faces? 3 faces. 2 flat faces. 1, 2. 2 flat faces. Circular surface ആണ്. Circular region ആണ്. Circular flat faces. Okay. This one is curved. The shape is curved. വളഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ഇരിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? This face is curved. A cylinder has 2 flat faces and a circular, curved face and a curved face. A cylinder has 2 flat faces and a curved face. Curved face. Okay. You all know what is this shape called. What is this shape called? Everyone like this shape. You all like ice cream, isn't it? Ice cream cone. It's an example of cone. Our solid shape cone in example ആണ് our ice cream cone. Then birthday cap. These are examples of our solid shape cone. C-O-N-E. So how many faces it has? It has 2 faces. Here one face. Here one flat face. And this is that curved. This is one curved face. Okay. It has 2 faces. One flat face and one curved face. Clear? You are like it, right? What is this? This is a ball. This ball is an example for our solid shape sphere. What is this? Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. How many faces it has? It has only one face. That is curved. It has only one curved face. ഇതിൽ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഫ്ലാറ്റ് കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? പരന്ന ഷേപ്പ് ഏതെങ്കിലും കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഓൺലി കേർവ്ഡ്. വളരെ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുമ്പോഴും ഒരേ ഫേസ് ആണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കേർവ്ഡ് ഫേസ്. ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് ഓൺലി വൺ കേർവ്ഡ് ഫേസ്. The sphere, a sphere has only one curved face. Let's see a video to know more about solid shapes.
Let's learn about solid figures in this toy room. Some solid figures, like a cube and a cuboid, have flat surfaces. The ABC blocks on the floor are cube-shaped. A cube has 6 square faces. The dice on the game board is also cube-shaped. The red toy bus is cuboid in shape. A cuboid also has 6 faces. There are so many fish in the fish tank. The fish tank is also cuboid shaped. The solid figures, cylinder, cone and sphere have a curved surface. Look! There is a mug full of crayons on the table. The mug is cylindrical in shape. A cylinder has 2 flat circular surfaces, 1 curved surface and 2 curved edges. Come, let's play these drums. They are also cylindrical in shape. The colorful lampshades hanging from the ceiling are cone-shaped. A cone has 1 flat circular surface, 1 curved surface and 1 curved edge. Can you search for a clown with a cap? Yes, there it is. The clown cap is also in the shape of a cone. There are so many balls here. These balls are sphere-shaped. A sphere has only a curved surface. I can even see a globe near them. It is also sphere-shaped. Let's revise. A cube has 6 square faces. A cuboid has 6 faces. A cylinder has 2 flat circular surfaces and 1 curved surface. A cone has 1 flat circular surface and 1 curved surface. A sphere has only a curved surface. Wasn't it fun learning in the toy room?
I hope you understood what our soul is shaped from this video is, right? Learn everything that I taught you today. We will meet very soon. Bye bye.